Hi everyone, my name is Christy and yes, I did it. I signed up for Boxycharm and what I have here is my first ever Boxycharm box. So this is for the month of November 2019 and oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. I had been wanting to sign up for Boxycharm for so long. I've been getting Ipsy since January of this year, and I get all three Ipsy bags. I get the $10 a month, which is now $12. I get the $25 version and the $50 version. So Boxycharm is $25 a month, but if you commit to more months, you can save money. So I think I signed up for the 3-month subscription, so that makes this a little bit less than $25. And honestly, I don't know that much about Boxycharm. I tried looking to see if they had an app and I couldn't find one. So I'm gonna need you guys to let me know in the comments down below because you guys are the ones that convinced me to sign up for this. So I wanna get some tips on Boxycharm. So let me know, is there an app? I couldn't find one. I also couldn't find any spoilers, so I have no idea what I have in here. Can you do add-ons? Can you earn points? Do I get a referral link? I have so many questions, so hopefully I can get some answers in the comments down below. I also have no idea really what time of month this ships because I signed up in November and I'm excited that I still got a box for November. I also don't know if you get to pick one product a month. I kind of think that you can, but I think they sent me my December pick and I couldn't choose between the two products, so I just said surprise me. But I'm just really excited about this. I'm excited to learn about Boxycharm and try out some new products because if you are new here, you may not be aware that I do this series on my channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. And today is day number almost 660. So I've tried out a lot of makeup products. So I'll be trying out every makeup product that I get in this box in dedicated review videos these upcoming days. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on those. But okay, I cannot wait any longer. Let me just go ahead and open this box. I don't even know if this is customizable. I filled out a questionnaire which was pretty in-depth and very similar to the questionnaire that I do for Ipsy. So I'm gonna be very interested to watch a bunch of these November Boxycharm unboxings to find out if the boxes are different and customized. So, okay, here's what the box looks like when you first open it. This is about the same size box as the $25 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. Oh, you've got some coupon codes in here. So there is the BoxyLuxe option, which happens every 3 months and you pay an extra about $25 to get 8+ full-size products worth over $275. And I did sign up for that. I don't know when the next BoxyLuxe box will be coming, but I'm excited for it. Oh, it looks like December is the next BoxyLuxe. So that's exciting. Okay, so on top here, Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer in a few different tones. And it says that you can swatch them and then go onto the website and let them know which shade best matched your complexion to receive better complexion products in your future box. That's a really good idea. But the thing is, there's only 4 shades. And it looks like this comes in 8 shades. That's not a very big shade range, but it's also not a very big shade range to test out. So that's interesting. But I like the idea of it. Okay, so, oh, I know this product here. The Tula Skincare Probiotic and Superfoods Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. Okay, these are nice masks. Ooh, $22 value for just 2 masks. I've tried out a Tula face mask before and I really liked it. So this is a pretty luxurious facial mask to get. Oh, okay. What I have here, so this is bound to happen. This is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle eye treatment. Okay, I thought this was the Juice Beauty wrinkle something serum that I just got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. And I was like, oh, so this is bound to happen, that I'm gonna get repeat products because they don't know what each other sent me. But actually, this is the eye treatment, and I'm actually really excited to have this. I have been using the Juice Beauty serum that I got in my Glam Bag Ultimate. I know I kind of complained that I was like, oh, I'm getting too much skincare, blah, blah, blah. But I have been really enjoying the skincare that I got, and I'm actually really excited to try out the eye treatment and use it at the same time as that serum. So then I'll have the whole kind of skincare routine going. I think there's moisturizer. There's like the serum, the eye cream, and the moisturizer. So now I just need the moisturizer, and I'll have the whole set of Juice Beauty products to try out. But I love that this pamphlet gives the retail value. Whoa. This Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment has a retail value of $50. Wow, that is very fancy for me. I would never buy a $50 eye cream, so I'm really excited to have this. I'm getting very expensive skincare products that I wouldn't have purchased on my own. And I'm already way above that $25 or $23-ish value that I paid for this box. Okay, here we have, ooh, this is from Dominique Cosmetics, which I have never tried out any of the products from Dominique Cosmetics. And this is the Celestial Thunder. I've been seeing this product in, I think, all of the November Boxycharm unboxings. And wow, it's even more beautiful in person than how it looked on all the videos I watched. Wow, you get glitters and shimmers and mattes. Oh my gosh, these look so beautiful. I'm not gonna do the full swatching in this video because in my unboxing video experience, I don't think that you all care that much about seeing the swatches because I will be doing full dedicated review on this product. But let me know in the comments down below if you would prefer to see me swatch in these unboxing videos as well, because I am definitely happy to do that. But for this video, I am gonna skip it because I don't think you mind. Guess we'll find out. And then, so you get 5 products. That's the same as the, oh, this is big. Oh, this is my bonus product. You get 5 products, but this is the bonus product. But yeah, you get 5 products in the $25 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box as well. So these are very comparable. Okay, so this here is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. So this is a bonus gift that you get for signing up for Boxycharm in November. Oh my gosh, this is the most beautiful packaging. I love Tarte. It's one of my favorite brands. And I think you could have gotten between this palette and the eyeshadow palette. I was kind of hoping I would get the eyeshadow palette just because I'm not so sure all of these shades are gonna work for me. And I would rather eyeshadows than a bunch of different, I don't even know what these are, powders, bronzers, blush. Smells nice. But wow, this is so luxurious. I am still really excited to try this out. This might actually be a perfect Christmas gift for my sister because I love to get her really nice makeup as Christmas gifts, and she'll use those palettes for the entire year. But that's a really nice bonus gift. And then I also got Dose of Colors. Okay, I was hoping that I would get a Dose of Colors lipstick. This is in the shade Nude Mood. Okay, Dose of Colors is another brand that I have not gotten to try yet, but I have been wanting to. This has a retail value of $18. Oh, and I'm so excited. Okay, I just have to take a peek at what this shade looks like. Oh, it looks like, what is this called? Nude Mood. It looks like it's gonna be a beautiful nude shade. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I can't really believe that I haven't tried out Dose of Colors lipsticks yet, but this is so exciting. Oh, I'm loving my box so far. And then my last product is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. I think I've tried these before. Did I get the same shade? Nova. I got, if it's the same product, I got these. Yes, I think it is. And these are amazing. So I will link in the description down below my review on the Cover FX Glitter Drops so that you can see a full dedicated review on this product already. But I only have the tiny version and I was like, oh, this is amazing. I wish I had the full-size version, but it retails for $44. And now I have it. Oh, you know, wish, and your wishes may be granted. This is so exciting. Wow, such high value items in this box. My $25-ish Boxycharm box has a retail value of $169. And what's so fun is that these are brands that I haven't tried out before, but I have been really wanting to, and really nice skincare pampering products that are more expensive than I would typically spend on myself on my own. So I feel like I got such a great deal and I am so excited about these products. Let me do a quick recap. Also, that $169 does not include the value of the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. So this actually has a retail value of $45. You can buy it online on the Tarte website for $45 right now. So that's an awesome gift. That's like 2 months worth of the box in your free gift. Okay, so I got that, and then I got the Juice Beauty Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I got the Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick. I got the Cover FX Glitter Drops. I got the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette from Dominique Cosmetics, and I got the Tula sheet masks. Wow. Oh, and you know, I got this little concealer to try out as well. I actually got pretty good use out of these little sample products. Wow, my first Boxycharm box did not let me down. I'm so excited about every product. I can't wait to try these out. But if you've tried any of these products, I would love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on them. And I would love to hear what you got in your November 2019 Boxycharm box. Wow. I am currently paying for and getting 4 makeup boxes. That's a lot. That's a lot of makeup products, but since this box was so good, and I did already sign up for 3 months, but I do not see myself stopping. I am so impressed by this, and I love a good deal. I got such a great deal on all of these products. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.